Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for East Central Harrison County in South Central Indiana, South Central Clark County in South Central Indiana, Southeastern Floyd County in South Central Indiana, Northwestern Jefferson County in Central Kentucky until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Corydon, or 19 miles west of Louisville, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and baseball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Pleasure Ridge Park in St. Denis around 10:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. New Albany, Shively, and Louisville around 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Jeffersonville, Watterson Park, Strathmere Manor, Rolling Fields, Mockingbird Valley, Kinsley, Strathmere Village, Seneca Gardens, Parkway Village, and Audubon Park around 10:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Louisville International Airport, Oak Park, New Middletown, Seven Springs, Lottie Corner, Bridgeport, Breckenridge, Elizabeth, Lanesville, and Sugar Grove. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.